Here it is, two-box break, 2018 Leaf History of Cut Signature Baseball. We got two guys in this. T. Mike and Luke. All right. That's how you roll in. The return of T. Mike. All right, here is letters next, last name, letters. All right, A to W. He's a good dude too, man. All right, T down to C. All right, gentlemen, last name, letter, last name starts with here. All right, good luck, everybody. Let's see what we got in this one. All right. See what we get. All right, here's our first one. Oh, man, check that out. Couple cuts. Yeah, Lee McPhail right there. Nice. Passed away in 2012. 26 to 34. T. Mike, that is you, sir. That's different. It's been an unpredictable kind of product. I do know that. How about this one? All right, here's our next one. Our next one. Oh, Mr. Killebrew. All right. Harmon Killebrew. Passed away, unfortunately, in 2011, 7 of 60. Also, T. Mike. Nice hits, man. Couple old school baseball guys there. That's cool. I like that. That is nice. Good stuff, guys. That is Leaf History Baseball Cut 2-banger 107. Thanks for joining.